Good morning, everyone. Hello, hello. Happy Friday. Happy Friday. How are you guys? How is your morning? How is your Friday morning? Spider, you got a rating right now. You got a rank. #1 fan. How are you guys? Remember, it's Friday. Our task not to blow our accounts. Right? Oh, you passed your Apex evaluation. That's brilliant. Guys, did you see update from NinjaTrader? I mean, their font text. I mean, it was so nice. Today I woke up, I was trying to log in. First I had issue, but I guess it's my fault. Then I log in, I was like, what did you do with font? It was crazy. So let's talk about market. So on gold, let me show you. So it's just, I know maybe it was for everyone, like, or just for me. See this font right now? See this? Guys, what did you do? I cannot see this. See this font? Maybe that's me. I don't know. But oh my god. I was like, what? No, bring this back. So guys, on gold, I would like to see the retracement back to 50, 45. Friday is better than yesterday. You made 4 hours. That's great. That's great. That's brilliant. So talking about gold, we got push this night. I would like to see attempt to retrace back down over here, back to 50s, 45, somewhere there. So basically this range. Discount. We call this discount. So let's see if we retrace down, back to discount. So I'm interested in this range once again. CL struggling, so I still remain more bullish than bearish on CL. See how price trying to respect our referral value gap. I mean, seems like strong support over here. Let's see if we pump back to 68 30s, 40s. Are you partially blind? Unfortunately. Yes, my left eye doesn't work. So I still remain more bullish on CL. Oh, you took two trades in gold. So that's great. I didn't take any trades yet. Yesterday, during Asia, it offered solid long on gold, but obviously I miss this. Oh, also our referral value gap there. I didn't check this, but I believe it's going to be at the same level. Yes, our referral value gap, huge week over here, so 50% of week. So basically that's my draw for today, but I'm going to be conservative. It's Friday, so maybe it will take time. It was my initial plan. I have no idea how it goes. It's just for now, I'm looking for continuation higher. On gold, I dream about move down. So the question is how far we can go. Previous week high levels and retracement back down to 50s, or retracement down to 50s and then long to previous week high. In Q&A, yes, I'm not going to lie. I would like to see TGIF today, and in order to get TGIF, I do like to see Monday low taken. Monday low taken. Totally possible. You know, this week didn't have important news, like at all. Overall week was crazy, especially NQ. NQ yesterday wasn't bad. Remember, we wanted to see New York midnight open on ES yesterday, but in reality took all-time high and dropped right to New York midnight open yesterday during Asia. I have no idea what kind of news we got. because Asia sold off hard, and NQ took previous day low level. It also was our target yesterday, but since these scammers, so no complaints. But overall, guys, C and Q and ES and NQ yesterday was not in sync at all from the very beginning. All day it moved completely different ways. TGIF, yeah, I do like to see TGIF. I would like to see we taking out Monday low. What will happen in reality, I have no idea. But if my break below Monday low and over TGIF, it's going to be great. I hope so. So what can happen actually? We can retest New York midnight open, then attempt to drop to Monday low, or just straight move down. I'm not going to say higher to long. I'm kind of more bearish for the day on NQ and ES. If you're bullish, can you tell me why? I'm just trying to understand what I'm missing at this point. Yes, exactly. On gold, we have possible scenario like this. Only issue with move higher is Asia high on ES is flat candle. That's the issue. Oh, how to measure TGIF? You go on weekly chart. It's not TGIF right now because we don't have new low or high of the day of the week on Friday yet. But let's say we got new low of the week on Friday. Just imagine. If it's low, we are going to measure from here to here. We have a template for this V. I have it. I have a template for this TGIF. And here are the settings for TGIF. So from this high to this low, I want to measure 20-30%. As you can see over here. And here is the potential retracement. But it's not valid yet because we don't have new high or low of the week yet. You can trade gold on my funded futures. Yes. The most common question recently. Announcement. How many people? Okay. Announcement. Quick announcement, guys. Today at 11:30, new video about potential sweep. So right after stream, we're going to switch on my new video. It's going to be live chat there. And finally, I will post part 2, potential sweep. It's going to be not long video. It's going to be around 15 minutes. I see the open will go higher. Possible to retrace to New York midnight open first. Guys, yesterday it was absolutely crazy. I started recording the video at 12 and I finished at almost 5. It took me 5 hours, like record this, prepare this for editing, then another 2 hours to create the picture. I don't want to, hire someone. I just want to practice this by myself because I love this. So another 2 hours to create the picture. I mean, that was crazy. Because it's 2 different prop firms. That's the answer. Picture looked great, thank you. But it was around like almost 2 hours just to create picture, almost 2 hours. Take a picture, then think about design, background. I mean, why it's so hard, but it's also interesting. I mean, of course, I can hire someone to do this for myself, for me, right? But I do like to do this on my own. It's just interesting to do this. Something else, rather than trading. Started course about Premiere Pro just to study this. Because that's interesting. Need to do something else, right? Than on trading. Good morning, guys. Good morning, everyone. What is significance of flat candle? So basically, flat candle doesn't have wick, right? So this candle doesn't have manipulation, and we consider this as first as liquidity level. So at this point, we anticipate to get delayed manipulation. I call this like delayed manipulation. Maybe it has different name. So remember about candlestick formation: open, high, low, close, accumulation, manipulation, distribution, right? So at this point, we got open, move down, distribution, and that's it. So basically, it doesn't have manipulation. I hope it makes sense. Oh, you're very welcome, so. Of course. Of course. So we're trying to dispect earlier for a value gap so far. So the question is if my pump to New York midnight open to retrace lower or just going to be moved to Monday low. I would like to see TGIF today. So let's see. Yes looks way better than Q right now. And Q just consolidating. Like overall ugly consolidation. See this range? I also love taking photos. So it's absolutely my best hobby ever. So let me try to find my some. I do this absolutely for free, just for fun. Let me try to find this. I will show you in a moment. Instagram. What is my Instagram for taking photos? That's a great question because I have no idea. It calls. Oh, okay. Let me show you what I'm doing. Is that it? Oh yeah. So I also love taking photos. It's just my best hobby ever. So this is what I'm doing. Let me show you. Oh, I need to log in. Okay. That's my son, by the way. This is what I'm doing when I have time. It's my kids. Why are you asking me for this? I'm not going to log in. You got it. It's probably what to ask me for. Okay. So yeah, I'm doing when I have time. Absolutely love it. What camera? It's Sony, but I don't remember. 64? Something like this. I don't remember. I need to check. Yeah, my son is going to be 6, another one is 4. So yeah. I don't I don't I don't do this Instagram. I just post photos sometimes, so nothing to follow there. You can follow my trading Instagram. I don't share my personal Instagram with anyone. So just limit traders to follow if you want. You think Monday is going to be low of the week? I hope to get Friday low of the week. Thank you so much. Thank you. $820. Would like to see 780, honestly. Just need to drop 100 points to take Monday low. At this point, it will create 5-minute order block. We will long for TGIF, and everyone are happy. So let's see how it goes. First time tuning in. Hello, welcome to my channel. Oh yeah, of course. You just follow me, right? Yeah, I love it. Yeah, I got it. Oh, that's amazing. Wow. Yeah, that's amazing. Especially that one. That's, oh my God, I love it. Perfect. You're doing great. Bitcoin to 120. I said that 2 months ago, I guess. 120. Oh, we're going to 120. Wow. Oh my God. Oh my God. I mean, I'm happy, of course, because I have Bitcoins, but 120 finally. Just took forever to do this, feels like. 120, it will hit. ETH, what you would like to see there? I didn't analyze this. White call shitcoins. I'm not going to sell my Bitcoins for the next 5 years at least, maybe 10 years. I already hold this for 8 years. Not going to give up. Reply me. I didn't see your message. How to mark the range? If you watch my pre-market plan video or intraday bias video, so you can watch this information there. When the part 2, today at 11:30 I will post new video. It's already set as premiere, so how much I'm up? I don't remember, around like $500. I didn't trade evaluation, so almost didn't trade this. Around like $500. Need to check on dashboard. I didn't even check this. Gold needs to drop to back to 50s. It's either going to be previous week highs and 50s, then first it's going to drop to 50s, then long to previous week high level. So let's see how it goes. Video on your setup been invalidated. What do you mean by this? I think I didn't get your question. You know, of course, once again, it's up to you. Using time frame alignment chart, you can use 4-hour sweep, 15-minute order block, 1-hour sweep, 5-minute order block. It's up to you, just personal preference. Just with 15-minute order block, stop loss is going to be way bigger, right? So just consider this. Not only on gold, like I'm talking about this overall. Well, let's say I'm going to answer question, I'm going to do this question. Like, say you're in trade. What things would you see that most likely invalidate my setup and it's probably losing trade? Okay, let's say I'm bullish, but I see potential sweep on hourly or 30-minute chart. I see perfect order block. So perfect, amazing. I'm trying to this short, let's say short. And I'm aiming for 2R, but I clearly can see that bias is bullish, right? And it's about to offer potential sweep to upside. At this point, what I see if it's going to be losing trade or not. If it offered potential sweep, I mean sell side liquidity sweep on 30-minute or hourly chart and offered 3-minute or 5-minute OB, I'm in this short. We already have opposite order block. I already see that it's potential losing trade. So I have two options: close this trade right now, no matter what will happen. Maybe it will go to my favor, who knows? Or just leave my stop loss. And it's going to be stop loss. Who actually knows, right? I hope it makes sense. No, just overall, not trade. It's just in general. No, just in general, guys. You're welcome, so I hope it makes sense. I would like to see, yes, 45, 50, that's my key level, key range to aim for previous week high level. I really would like to see slightly lower first. So yes, and you're kind of struggling so far. We have 4 more minutes. The expected hourly fair value gap, that's pretty much it. So we're doing giveaway today. Take profit trader. Accounts, 6 accounts, 6 accounts. Sorry, guys. Good morning, good morning. Give it to the accounts. Once we hit, I'm going to have 30,000 people, subscribers, of course I will do 30 accounts giveaway. We're close to this, we're close. Getting close to this. Oh, I got it. London High lines up with New York midnight open, so I can't agree with the idea of pump to New York midnight open and potential sell. It's my second plan. So first plan, it's either going to respect our fair value gap short to nothing for sure just yet, just talking about this in general. Looking for a move down to Monday low, or we're going to New York midnight open, which lines up with London high on both yes and Q, and then looking for short there. So at this point, probably we'll use 5-minute bearish fair value gap to short. Yeah, pump then drop, probably. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, who just joined. Today, right after stream at 11:30, I will post a new video, guys. New video about how to trade gold in CL. We have two sets of equal highs. Yeah, I agree. Asia and London agree with you, yes. For M2 model, I only use it for NQ. And most of the time at 1 p.m. and now at 9 a.m. By the way, let's check this. Oh, that's consolidation. So probably M2 model not going to play for Friday because see how we're consolidating right now? Probably not going to play. Because M2 model doesn't work inside consolidation. But okay, let's ignore this consolidation. We got OB. We trade below 9 a.m. open, right? I don't like this anyway, so. Oops. Opposite one. Good morning. Good morning. Bitcoin to 120. Oh, market is a scam. No trades for me yet. This year took 0 trades. Not on personal, nothing. Personal, nothing on personal, nothing on funded just yet. Just yet, we have nothing. Nothing good, at least. I mean, talking about something good. Yeah, it was fast. Seems like trying to pump to New York Midnight Open. Hello? Hello? What is going on? I'm just asking. I'm shocked a little bit. Anyway, M2 model play out. Hate this in consolidation. When it's inside consolidation. I posted yesterday on Twitter this model just in case you're interested in this. Posted this. Yeah. 10 seconds holding time, like the quickest trade in our life. Didn't exist. Hello. I'm fine. How are you? Yeah, double SMT at lows, exactly. Crazy shit. Come on. Life did not prepare us for this kind of moves. New York Midnight Open, London low, not London low, London high. It was quick, right? Oh, basically that's. I talk about this and funny. Yesterday, someone said like, this M2 model nice in hindsight, but guys, on stream when we're talking about M2 model, I never did this in hindsight. We always highlight this before this happens. It's just strange to see this from people. Plan is 2 plans right now. We're expecting hourly fair value gap to go to Monday low. We're expecting New York Midnight Open going to Monday low. I would like to see TGIF today. What do you think about this? So, like, let's see where we can get structure first. From this hourly fair value gap, since as you can see, look at this body. So we're here trying to respect top of fair value gap, ignoring this week. Or we're going to New York Midnight Open, then selling off. Just let's see where structure will be offered first. Where's TGIF below Monday low? We don't know yet. There is no TGIF, unfortunately. Just yet. Yeah, overall week is ugly, absolutely ugly. No TGIF just yet, guys. Still nothing. Absolutely nothing so far. But ES didn't look bad overall. But as I said yesterday, NQ was brilliant yesterday. It was better than gold and CL. Yes, I said that. Imagine. Wow, crazy, right? I'm not going to lie, I like this week as well. Pretty much green week for me. Yeah. Pretty much. I took zero losing trades, fortunately. But I took not lots of trades as well. So, not lots of trades, unfortunately, as well. Some days I didn't take trades at all. Maybe that's why I'm green and have no losing trades. Oh my god. Well, hit 50% of opening gap. Perfect. Yeah, you're right. No, NQ moves nice between 9 a.m. and 10 a.m. Right after this, it's garbage, trash, shit price action, not tradable for me personally. If you're interested in settings for my indicators that I have on my chart, just go to my YouTube, click videos, and last video about SMT indicator, about high time frame candles, settings for indicators. I recorded this video to answer all questions. So if you won yesterday, it took 2-3 days to receive email because it's so hard because I do this manually. It's so hard for me to do this. Yesterday, between 12 and 5 p.m., I was making a video. So give me some time, please. It's so hard for me to manage all stuff at the same time. You want to see London high taken first? Totally possible. But I do like to see Monday low today. It's either going to pump to London, New York midnight open, then drop to Monday low, or just going to create not SMT, maybe like some structure. It's not SMT, right? Or actually SMT. Okay, we have SMT, maybe any signs of smart money reversal to downside, inversion with change in the state of delivery with dropping. Let's see how it goes. Who actually knows? What is your birthday? My birthday was on Tuesday. Guys, hit the like button, so once we hit 400 likes, I will do one extra giveaway. It's going to be 2 instead of 1. No, I never forget about this. Oh, your birthday tomorrow! I don't want to say happy birthday right now. It's not good. Idea. I don't know your Twitter, I guess. I could send you a message. Thank you for likes. Let's do giveaway. Once we hit 400 likes, one extra giveaway. Oh, thank you. On gold, still nothing, unfortunately. I keep my eyes on gold. I will keep you updated. I don't see your question. Lots of questions, so can you please send this again? Thank you so much, Alice. So seems like it wants to offer sign of smart money reversal to downside. We have SMT. It's about to offer inversion and change in the state of delivery. So at this point, I will look for drop. So let me move this over here because it's play out already. See, 2R and done. It's not first time when I see. Thank you so much. Why? I do use SMT. Why? You said I don't use SMT. I do use SMT. So basically, for potential smart money reversal, do I consider SMT first? So we do have it. And we have two options for smart money reversal: change in the state of delivery and inversion fair value gap, kite from level hourly bearish fair value gap, or no, not in short, or market structure shift and change in the state of delivery. So I would say we have three signs of smart money reversal right now. We got order block. So at this point, I feel a bit more bearish right now. I cannot say for sure if it wants to do something like this, honestly. I would say a bit early to talk about this, but maybe. I'm not in trade, I'm just talking about this, so I'm not in this trade yet. So consider potential smart money reversal. We can see something like this. Maybe. You want to see 880 taken and then pump and then drop. You mean you want to see... You want to see something like this to New York midnight opens and drop? Okay, got it. Possible. Yes, looks absolutely ugly so far. I don't use this. I don't use first present fair value gap at all. So, like, first idea, we're expecting this PD raise dropping, or we're going to just sweep this offer sweep over here, pump to New York midnight opens, and same short. Not in trade, just let's see where we can get displacement first. So far, just sweeping. Not great sign for continuation lower. Maybe we can displace lower. At this point, it's going to be solid. Confirmation for downside. I don't have trade idea even over here. Okay. Okay, got it. So far we have only sweep. Doesn't want to display just yet. With displacement, I believe it just should sell. Let's see if my displays at this point. Kind of struggling with displacement so far. I'm keeping my eyes on gold, guys. Let's be focused a bit. So probably I will try to engage if it wants to displace. Kind of struggling with displacement. So guys, don't like this short just yet. Not in this short. I'm not in this short. Probably I would like to enter at market using market order displacement. Displacement? Yeah, displacement. That's what I'm looking at right now. Gold? Not doing nothing at all. Crazy, right? Crazy. So yeah, basically we have two scenarios. So far we have sweep. As you can see, it's sweeping. So I cannot validate this short just yet. Because doesn't want to displace. That's not great sign for continuation lower, at least for now. At this point, if it's going to be potential sweep, I'm not sure yet. Just let's see. We will pump to New York midnight opens and drop. Or it wants to displace right now, should drop then immediately. Watching yes. Both displacing hourly fair value gap, but incurred is struggling so far. Trying to displace. Discount on my funded future ends July 31st. Trying to displace, but still. I want to see speed, so we don't have the speed. It's just slow candle formation, which I don't like. My key level is Monday low. I do like to see Monday low. Let me switch. Let's see what we have on M and Q. My biggest concern, it doesn't want to offer speed. That's why I'm not in this short just yet. It's really struggling so far. Just quick candle formation, like huge body. It's Friday, so I'm not going to be in rush, so just according to my journal, my worst performance on Friday. I don't know why. It's the issue right now. It looks like absolutely classic power of 3. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Even the range between 2 and 2.5 sitting on the low right at the 50% between range between 2 and 2.5. Well, guys, I'm not on this trade. I'm not so far. Kind of tricky for me to engage. Gold doing absolutely nothing. CL is pumping. So for CL, TP is 68.39. I said it before, so I would like to see we going there. Well, NQ struggling, really struggling. We have 3-minute OB, we have SMT, we just placing earlier for a value gap, we have accumulation, manipulation, distribution. But it doesn't want to displace. It doesn't want to offer any speed just yet. Did I take this low on ES? Okay, so far I will sit on my hands. $15-minute inversion, give me 1 second. One of my monitors stopped working, so it's only 3 monitors right now, and 2 small ones, so it's kind of hard for me to keep all charts on my screen to look all levels, unfortunately, so that's why I'm limited with screens. 2 stopped working monitors. They said, enough for you, Dasha. Buy a new one. But I said, no, I'm not going to buy a new one. So far as you can see, simply trying to sweep these scissors. Pretty much just sweep, which crazy. Okay, just I will give it a time. It's not great sign right now for continuation simply because of this sweep. Guys, I'm sorry, just not going to engage right now. No, doesn't look great. See this candle right now, extremely bullish. Not going to engage. I know, guys, I'm extremely picky with my entries. I know. But not worth it. If you have issue with gold, trading gold on $500, please send me a message on Twitter. I will try to help you. I answer this question every single day, but if you have question, just please send me a message. I will try to help you. I don't work for my funded futures. I just know how to fix this. Just in case you're wondering about this. Yeah, so far just sweeping scissors. That was my biggest concern about this short. Biggest concern. So at this point, makes sense to wait for New York with net open, then another short opportunity. So sitting flat, it's okay. Didn't take the short. No, it's okay. We will wait a bit more. It's still too early on the day. Not ready for short yet. You think it will pump to New York with net open first? That's our second plan. Best time to trade gold, you're going to find out this in my new video that I'm going to post right after stream, guys. Today, right after stream at 11:30, I'm going to finish at 11:25. New video about how to trade gold and CL. Please, guys, if you want to skip this video, I don't recommend to do this because today, based on this video, you will receive homework. So highly recommend to watch this at least one time. Tonight, I will send you homework assignment. So basically, it's going to be a lesson. Then it's going to be homework assignment to this new lesson. So don't skip this lesson. It's only 15 minutes of your life to watch this. Please, find time to watch this. If you subscribe to my newsletter, you will receive this in your email. To subscribe to my newsletter, just go to the description of this stream. All the way down, it says, how it says, like, my weekly newsletter? How you call this? I don't remember. Something like this, you will find this. What's the red zone? I already for a value gap. Yeah, check again. Tonight I will send you homework. You received this twice. Of course. So guys, just highly recommend you to spend your time on your education. 15 minutes of your life not going to change anything, but it will help you. You will tell me thank you, maybe in 1 month. So my biggest concern for this short, I'm going to repeat again, was we got inversion for a value gap, we got change in the state of delivery, but my problem was we got sweep as well. I saw this as potential sweep, and in order to invalidate the sweep, I was waiting for displacement. So big candle, like we displacing, we expanding lower. This never happened. It was sign of weakness. So at this point, makes sense to stay away and wait for displacement. I hate to enter with limit order. Most of the time I wait for displacement, and I prefer to use market order to enter at displacement. Maybe I'm late with my entries sometimes, but I'm fine with this. At least I have seen perfect confirmation. That's it. So I was waiting for displacement. I mentioned that before. Just answer this question. So newsletter. So once again, I don't want to spam your newsletter. I don't want to sell you anything in this newsletter. Normally, I send just homework there or lessons. No. So basically, I don't need to see displacement over here. I need to see displacement where we got sweep. See, we got sweep over here. I need to see displacement below the sweep. Never happened. That's why I said didn't offer. Stop trying to sell. By the way, I guess I'm the only one person who trying to find something for free and trying to share something for free. I'm just trying to find stuff for free to recommend you, so you don't need to pay for this. I send you even homeworks and I ask nothing for this. Just subscribe to my newsletter. So I just felt like even I don't want to even take this on evaluation. Struggling, but it's okay for Friday. Come on, I expected that. If you're going to subscribe to my newsletter, I will receive $0, 0 cents. $0, 0 cents. So I wish I could make some money from this, but no. Really, I received nothing. So you will receive homework, just going to be like steps, what you need to do, your task. Don't send me email with your homework back. Please send, because it's hard for me to check every single email. I have thousands of emails, right? So just send me this on Twitter, DM, or just post on Twitter. Like create a post on Twitter and tag me there. So it's going to be easier for me. How to subscribe? Just go to the description of this live stream, scroll down. I believe it says my weekly newsletter. Click the link. That's pretty much it. That's all I ask. Please don't send me email because I will probably it's already lost. Impossible for me to check every single email. How I'm doing? I'm nice. Thank you. How are you? I wouldn't say like it's what a move. It's just zoom out. It's just part of consolidation so far. I still would like to see Monday low. I already sent one homework 2 weeks ago. So the new one is going to be pretty much similar format, just new homework. Yeah, around 70s. Yeah, I will try to. Yes, I will try to steam PM session. Just why I didn't steam PM session this week because of giveaways, and another reason because PM session and AM session was not tradable. So for PM session, normally I trade only in Q because on gold it's dead price action as well as on CL. But even in Q doing PM session wasn't nice, so just didn't see a point to steam this. First, I would say in Q you need to pump slightly higher, kind of left some room to go higher. You said in Q touch the first short zone, just slightly higher will be better. Oh, you just close your trade. Okay, yeah. Funny, today on Twitter, I posted like tweet, and it's even about me, but I'm more experienced with this already, so I'm not doing this anymore. But that's what I posted on Twitter, and that's look at this. Guys, raise your hand if you know who. Raise your hand. Type 1 in the chat. Unfortunately, it took 0 trades on gold. Mean, but not today. I remember it was maybe like a couple of years ago, maybe even less. I told my husband like, look, I'm so profitable this week. It wasn't a huge profit. It was similar to this, like we have in the picture. Like Monday was around like $150, Tuesday was $200, and on Friday I just blew account. So, true story. So, did you blow around 20 accounts? Fund accounts, yeah. 20. I blew 20 accounts. My solid funded accounts. But it was a long time ago, so sitting with my Apex for a long time so far. I already told you guys, I'm good with my Apex accounts. I'm doing great with my Apex accounts. Close to midnight, but struggling, see this? $3 left on your funded account. I already showed this, so. I'm doing pretty much well with Apex accounts. Let me take a screenshot with this ugly font. See this? Oh, I need to sort this. Give me 1 second. I'm going to sort this because it's from one. Okay, I'm going to take another screenshot right now. So let me sort this. Yeah, way better. That's my Apex accounts, just in case you think I'm a scammer or something like this. That's my Apex accounts. Oops, I don't see 1000 number over here. Oops, I don't see even 100. Oops, I don't even see like 30 over here. Oh, how is that possible? We finally took New York Midnight Open, but we didn't. High. We actually took London High as well. Let me close this. How many Twitter influencers can show you their last numbers over here? I guess less than 10. So we have SMT so far. What kind of SMT do I have? Oh, that's strange. Why didn't want to highlight this? Yeah, I had to put trades. It's really impossible to rename this. No trades right now. I don't see any short setup just yet. Uh, Only M2 model was offered. Only M2 models, that's pretty much it. Nothing more. Can you? Of course you can. Go for it. Never ask. Okay, let's see if we get opportunity to short this. Yes is more over in yes. I would say yes moves way better than in Q, but gold kind of struggling. Maybe because we don't have any important news this week, but took maybe three trades on gold this week. I guess, yeah, 3 trades, that's it. Total I took around like 5 trades this week. Which is, by the way, not bad. Yeah. Some on CL trade. Yeah, I guess 1 trade on CL. I tried gold on Apex as well as Take Profit Trader. Didn't try, by the way, an evaluation just yet on my funded futures. Take Profit Trader earning 40% off. Daily payouts, no activation fee. That's why I trade Take Profit Trader every single day. Oh, no trades on evaluation today. Kind of flat. Come on, guys. Once we hit 400 likes, I will do 1 extra giveaway. Let's hit the like to the giveaway. Consolidating. Even look at gold. Gold also consolidating. CL preferably slightly higher. Would like to see CL like 60 cents higher. You can try to combine, because when you see, it was, I guess, 2 days ago, when you see like 30-minute potential sweep and M2 model like lines up with each other. So yeah, it's going to be perfect information. Basically, yes, you can combine if you want. At 11:30, I will post new video, guys, right after stream. I'm going to finish at 11:25. At 11:30, I will switch to live chat for a new video, so you can ask questions. I'm going to answer these questions in real time. So once again, highly recommend to watch the video, because you will receive email with homework to this lesson. Please. It's only 15 minutes long. Short video. 15-minute long. So far, nothing significant happened. Are you married? It should be the first question. You forgot about how old I am, where I'm from, if I'm married, do I have kids? What did I miss? Did I miss something? My phone number? I sleep during London Kill Zone. By the way, this night I went to bed at 1:30 a.m. So I slept for 4 hours only, a bit more than 4 hours. That's crazy. Yeah, one section over here, like over here. Yes, I'm married. Yes, I do have kids. Ah. Since 2 years. I'm sorry about this. If you won giveaway yesterday, guys, you will receive email within the next 2 days. Give me some time because I do this manually. It takes time. Hard to manage. Family, work, and so on. Hello, 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 hello. We got order block on in queue while ES still struggling with order block, still doesn't want to present short opportunity, even bearish shift, kind of struggling. Minor closure, I'm not going to count this as order block. You know, I hate when we have minor closures. Always hate this. Of course I have trading account. Everyone, I guess, have it. I don't trade YM, guys. If you experience with YM, let me know how it moves, what should I pay attention, on what I should pay attention. So, share with me. I don't really use first present very well, you go. If you see this on my chart, this means I highlighted this because someone asked me about this. I didn't do this. I just feel like first present fair value gap just fair value gap. It's not that important because we can invert this fair value gap. It can be reclaimed fair value gap. It can be, we can invert reclaimed fair value gap. And eventually, of course, we're going to respect some sort of level near this first present fair value gap. But that's my opinion. I don't say, I'm not trying to tell you like it doesn't work. It works, just not for me. Yeah, some sort of SMT at highs. We took London high, I'm going to remove London high because hard to see my New York midnight open level. Yeah, I'm not saying it doesn't work. I just don't use this personally because I explain the reason. Today this play out, tomorrow is going to be situations that I described before. Just my opinion about this. Struggling. If you just joined, guys, if you're like 4 announcement actually. If you're going to hit 400 likes, I will do giveaway. I will do another giveaway anyway. The second announcement. Third announcement, at 11:30 I will post gold and CL video, how to trade potential sweep, turtle soups. And last announcement, subscribe to my newsletter to receive homework. So how to trade gold and CL model will be shared in a bit more than 1 hour. It's at 11:30. Yeah, minor closure. I hate it so much. So it's, in my opinion, it's not closure. I don't want to count this as closure. Exactly. ICT concept literary tools. ICT concept not equal model. Model not equal concept. It's two completely different stuff. So just pick what works for you in this concept. Like lots of different stuff. I really want to see Mandelo, but it's just permanently bullish. Never dropped a lot. Just retracement, move higher again. Retracement, move higher again. What's the problem to take Mandelo? No problem, just don't want to take this, right? Why not? I would say we're close to New York midnight open on ES, and issue is, as you can see, Asia high, not London high. Asia high is flat candle. See this? I mean, we got lots of flat candles, but flat candle is Asia high. Can we go to Asia high? Let's see. At least New York midnight open seems like it's equal highs, as well as, look at this, guys. New York midnight open is 50% of additional consolidation. One second, I'm going to come back in 1 minute. Well, we're approaching New York midnight open 9 points away. At this point, we can pump to Asia high, like 60 points away versus 9 points away on ES. Yes, makes sense. A day in my life. It's always the same. Kids, trading, gym. Sometimes ocean after gym. Kids again. And again. So kids, work, gym. Sometimes once again ocean, kids again. Wine, sometimes on Friday. Today is Friday, by the way, yeah. Wine, yeah. Sometimes beer, depends on the day. Well, still trying to pump. I believe we're going to a New York midnight open. The next 2 days kids only. Oh my god. Exactly. Tomorrow is Saturday. So it's going to be kids. Ice skating classes. Kids again. I mean, it's for kids, so everything for kids. Then hockey classes for kids. Then day is over. Because tomorrow we have like 2 skating classes. Skating classes, ice skating classes, and hockey classes. No, not me, my kids. They have ice skating class at 11:15 tomorrow, and they're going to have hockey class at 3:15 tomorrow. And we have big window between ice skating classes and hockey classes, which I hate the most because I cannot drive anywhere at this time window. Just don't know what to do. And no more kids. No more kids. I'm child free. No, I never skated bicycle in my life. I don't know how to do this even, so it's only for my kids. They have small skates, small sticks, so it's so cute stuff for kids. Then forget this word. Nope. I'm done with kids. So yes, approaching New York with net open, so probably it will not drop without this. Of course I'm afraid. Nothing to hide. Of course. Maybe little girl. Nope. Nope. Guys, I love my kids, but that's it. I'm not that person who wants lots of kids, who loves to talk about kids. I'm not that kind of person. I hate to talk about kids. That's why I hate to go to playground, because lots of parents talking about kids only, like, I mean, like, okay, I will stay away. I'm not that kind of mom, unfortunately. Or maybe fortunately, who knows? Maybe so. No point to speak Russian because people will not understand me. I mean, I have some Russian subscribers, followers on my YouTube. They send me message on Twitter. I try to answer in Russian. I mean, I record my voice in Russian, but no point to speak Russian on streams. Crazy. Okay. Oh, actually, it wasn't Uncle's candle. I was thinking Dreamland OB is over here, but in reality, Dreamland OB was over here. Oh, wow. Okay, I didn't see that in real time. Because I just saw this as Uncle's candle. Beauty to be blind. Well, yes, it's actually Uncle's candle. How it looks on MNQ? Give me 1 second, I'm going to check. Oh, yeah, it's actually up close candle. Blind person. Hello, hello. Approaching New York with net open, 5 points away. SPX. This PX is based on old gap. And let's see what the level we hit. So we got close, open. Zero reaction from 25%, probably approaching 50%. Maybe. Yeah, I'm watching 50% on SPX right now. At this point, we will hit New York Midnight Open on ES. Let's put prices. 3 points away. Yeah, at this point, we will hit New York Midnight Open, then I will wait for rejection. Like 3 points away, 6 points away. Yeah, makes sense. Come on, guys, 80 likes left, even less, to hit 400 likes, and I will do giveaway. It's going to be 7 accounts instead of 6 accounts. That's pretty much it. Hit the like, guys, to participate in giveaway. Today is going to be Take Profit Trader. Yesterday was Trade to Funded. I will do a couple of more giveaways next week. From OB. Oh, actually, even from this order block on 3-minute chart, it's another 95 points higher. And from this order block that I didn't see, we got, well. So I'm watching for Asia high. Not really Asia high, I'm watching for New York Midnight Open on yes, and I don't know what level we can hit at this point. I believe Asia high. Let's create SMT, let's retrace right after this. Market feels like market is permanently bullish, you know. I never seen market like this. So even short setups that I'm looking almost never goes to final TP. Hello, 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 hello. Yeah, basically you're looking like another 30-40 points on NQ higher, lines up with Asia high, right? What's the benefits of YouTube subscription? Like pre-market plans, weekly outlooks, weekly analysis, a couple of times a month. So at 11:30 today, in 1 hour, a new video about liquidity sweep, how to trade gold, how to trade CL, but you can apply this for NQ as well. I will check. Maybe I'm doing something wrong. I will check after Steam. Yeah, gold simply dead price action right now. I said last time to trade gold, it's 1010, basically 950, 1010 macros. That's it. Right after this, gold is garbage. On CL, we need to pump, so I'm bullish on CL to 68. Oh, look at this. We're going there, 68.29. So we need to pump another 20 cents on CL. Yeah, it will go there. 50% of hourly week. Funny, like we were watching gold today, this morning, right? In reality, CL was way better. Crazy, right? CL will pump another 20 cents and it's going to be done for the day probably. We'll start consolidating. Maybe it will pump hard, but I don't think so. No hope for this, you know? It's already scheduled stream. It's going to be right after. It's already scheduled video. Is going to be right after stream. So I'm going to finish at 11:25. I'm going to switch to a new video. It's boring price action so far. I'm going to switch to a new video at 11:20 to live chat, so you can ask questions. I'm going to answer in real time. Giveaway not happened yet. Guys, let's hit 400 likes. 25 more likes for giveaway. 24 more likes for giveaway. Come on, just hit the like. We'll do giveaway. Take profit trader 7 accounts. 7 accounts. I will send you the form. Come on. 9 more likes. Three more likes for giveaway. And 1 more. Guys, 1 more. I will send you the form. Come on. Yeah, here we go. Here's the form for giveaway. So I pinned this message in the chat. So with Google form, your task, just click this Google form, fill this form, you're free. You're done. Free to go. Wait for email if you want. So I pinned the message in the chat with Google form. You need to fill this form to participate in giveaway. You can type whatever you want, by the way. It's not necessarily should be numbers. Still approaching 50% of hourly week. Oops. If you want to participate in giveaway, fill the form, pinned message in the chat to participate in giveaway. Approaching New York Midnight Open, SPX close to 50% of RTH gap. So I believe it should offer the action soon. You don't remember which number you put. Waiting for New York Midnight Open to see the action. Because 10:30 offered nothing. Should be by 11. Should be something by 11 at least. Still nothing for you, yeah. It's Friday, so. It's Friday, guys, so maybe I will not get anything good. But all I know, I don't want to lose on Friday. Gold started pumping higher, trying to pump without any retracements at all. Seems like going to previous week high level first. So slow. So slow. Since 9 a.m., gold did absolutely nothing. We just straight inside this consolidation. That's just ugly. 5 points away from previous week high level. So let me move. By the way, trying to build low resistance, which is fine for us. Low resistance, sharp move down. Let's go to 50s. I hope 50s. Yeah. Well, yes, thank you. Just slowly going higher. I guess yes, just want to take this New York Midnight Open, but we'll offer lots of games before doing this. 7 accounts giveaway today because we hit 400 likes. It had to be 6, but going to be 7. Okay, guys, congratulations. We got one phone number for today. It had to happen. Anyway, it had to happen. Who I should ban? We got phone number. Woohoo! Why? Tell me why. Not going to share. Not going to share, guys. CL 10 more cents and it probably will be done for the day. We'll start consolidating. Bitcoin will go to 120 today. Otherwise, market is a scam. If not today, then maybe tomorrow. So I can text you goodbye. Good night. Okay. End of year prediction, I have no idea. You know, Trump supports this, so it will probably pump. Just how far? I don't know. Maybe 160? I have projection at 160. For standard deviation at 160. So maybe we'll go to 160 by the end of this year. Just hold this. Don't sell. SPX hit 50%, so should offer the action soon. Maybe one more sweep and then should offer the action soon. So that's key level for SPX. Normally we can get retracement, sometimes even a reversal from this level. So let's see if we retrace soon. On ES and NQ makes sense at least. We didn't take New York midnight open. At this point, it can be just retracement. So if you just joined and would like to participate in giveaway, I pinned the message in the chat with Google form. You need to fill this form and that's it. We can go. Yeah. So I will announce winners around 11:10, 11:15 because I'm going to be done at 11:25 to switch to another chat for new video. I don't know Spanish at all. Like, I don't know any words. Let's see. It's not trade idea, just trying to watch where we can drop at this point. So if I want to consider this as just retracement, I will highlight potential OT. Oh, it just, no, okay. 50%, I mean, maybe 50% retest, maybe 62% retest. I know, I'm not sure what, like, I want to take this. There's no model here, this is a problem. It's just what I want to see. I don't see good structure for this just yet. We have a 2-minute order block. Where is 10 AM open? Here's 10 AM open. We got 2-minute order block. We traded above 10 AM open. Thinking about potential M2 model. but should keep in mind that we have room to go higher. New York midnight open on yes. Kind of, like 50-50. Makes sense to retrace if I want to ignore like ES and Q price action on SPX. We already retraced, by the way. Retrace down. So not in this trade. SMNQ chart, we got 3-minute OB, 2-minute chart, water block as well. Pretty much, I know, like good price action to downside. The issue, there's no issue. I guess ES has a New York midnight open. Yeah, I guess ES has room to go higher. That's pretty much it. Like Asia low, not necessary to see Asia low. Asia high, not Asia low, Asia high. So, but I would like to see New York midnight open since we're trading above New York midnight open on NQ. But for retracement on SPX, I'm fine. Like to see lower. We have fair value gap on 2-minute chart, so I would like to see price trading into this fair value gap. This point, ES might drop to fair value gap over here as well. Yeah. You're in the short? What confirmation did you use for a short? Share with us. How M2? Yeah, M2 for short. On yes, I'm watching for a fair value gap over here. So on SPX, we may drop to this fair value gap and reaction. It's not going to be even, I guess, 2R. Like 97, 96. Gold is pumping CL trying to reject right now. Approaching this fair value gap. Still trading above 10 AM open. No displacement at all. Never seen like it's struggling like right now. Nope. If you just joined and would like to participate in giveaway, you can fill the form. I pinned message in the chat. So I'm going to do 7 accounts. Since we hit 400 likes, I will do 1 extra. So initially it was 6, going to do 7. So 7 50K evaluations from Take Profit Trader. Wish you good luck. Wish you good luck. Only concern, so only yes, I'm watching for this fair value gap for potential reaction to New York midnight open. Just for now, it's going to be support level. What we have on 3-minute chart. On 3-minute chart, we have 3-minute OB, talking about potential sweep. The test of 10 a.m. open will offer immediate rebalance on 30-minute chart. Hussein, no, I'm not. Yet. I'll trade. Yeah, I will. Let me turn on Take Profit Trader. I'm not going to trade evaluation. So let's see. 2-minute chart, 3-minute chart, we have OB. Price is low. Yes, left room to go higher at New York midnight open. But SPX, on SPX, would like to see, like as you can see, we got reaction from 50% of RTH gap to 25% of RTH gap. But I would like to see it trading into this fair value gap. So on yes, would like to see slightly lower. On NQ, would like to see slightly lower. Maybe it will drop hard, who actually knows, but for now, would like to see slightly lower. Also, we have 30-minute fair value gap over here. Then reaction. But I'm not talking about reversal at all. I just anticipate to get retracement on SPX. Maybe reversal, but not talking about reversal once again. Retracement. CL slightly retrace lower, but still would like to see CL slightly higher. Just fair value gap. So guys, if you just joined and would like to participate in giveaway, you can do this by filling the form. I typed a pin message in the chat. So we hit this fair value gap. We hit fair value gap on SPX. So that's just key level right now. Let's see what we can do with this fair value gap. Support. Where is first percent fair value gap? What's the price for this level? We took previous week high on gold? Yeah, we just took this. So trying to dispel doesn't mean like we should reverse from this level, but reaction. Also, we got 2-minute OB. I would like to see the test of 50%. And the test of 50% will be potential 2R from entry that I highlighted before. So it should offer the action, especially SPX should offer the action from this fair value gap. Not talking about reversal, but reaction. Didn't close below this level, so it's not, basically it's not inversion just yet. Just reaction, once again, no signs for reversal. Reversal can be confirmed by order block over here, closure continuation. It's not sign of reversal just yet. We'll announce winners at 11:15 because I'm going to finish at 11:25 to switch to another chat for a new video. Strong rejection from 2-minute fair value gap. Didn't highlight this nicely, so let me actually, it doesn't really matter. So I was checking this fair value gap on SPX. Strong rejection. So here's 2-minute order block. I'm watching 50% of this order block min threshold retest. Because once we break this min threshold, should drop more to OT, 62% or something like this. I like this reaction. Pretty much predictable reaction, right? So no complaints. So ICT used first percent fair value gap at 9:30 when we have high impact data before. This is what he said in the chat. I didn't hear from ICT for a long time. Where's ICT, by the way? What happened? He doesn't post anything, so just interesting what happened. Oh, okay. Oh, okay, I didn't know about this. I was wondering like what happened with him. Okay. So he said, as I remember on stream, he joined our stream. We asked him. He said we can use 9:30 a.m. 1 minute first present fair value gap when we got high data before, high impact data before red folder news. But when we don't have any high impact data this day, he used any fair value gap after 9:30 a.m. So basically, he doesn't want to include 9:30 a.m. fair value gap. This is what he said. So yeah, I believe it's not reversal just yet. I can be wrong, but since ES left New York midnight open, I anticipated to get just retracement. So we just hit this 2-minute fair value gap, and coincidentally, it's trying to respect this level. Once again, doesn't mean like we will reverse. Of course, it doesn't mean anything, but that's level of support. And if we get a 2-minute OB, it's going to be a sign of reversal. We don't have 2-minute order block just yet. But even M2 model didn't offer 2R, just saying. It was around like 1.5 R, maybe even less, but never offered 2R. We don't have 2-minute shift on ES just yet, so it can be just reaction, but if we get shift on 2-minute chart, should take New York midnight open, I believe. Let's see if we get shift, so to validate long. At this point, for example, when we talk about potential invalidation of setup, here's, for example, idea. We got a reaction from high time frame level, we got shift, let's say we end this short, we got shift, so we can close at break even, or we can wait until our stop loss hit. So pretty slow. Yeah, overall, I'm bullish. I expect to get reaction on SPX from this 2-minute fair value gap and move to New York midnight open. And QD to R, well, this means I'm blind, which is possible. For some reason, ideal 2R could be over here. I mean, it was close to 2R, but you mean right from here? Oh, okay. It's not really order block, by the way. We didn't get the closure with this down close candle. Order block was offered with this displacement. We got, if we want to enter the open of next candle stop loss over here, we barely was like 1R. I believe ES needs to take New York midnight open. I have no idea what NQ wants to do. Just trying to rely right now on ES. ES needs to pump to New York midnight open. If we get 2-minute shift, bullish shift, it must be moved to New York midnight open. We don't have shift just yet. So still there is a chance to continue dropping at least to 50% of this expansion up, which is 936. But consolidating, so kind of boring. Guys, if you just joined and would like to participate in giveaway, you can fill the form, pinned message in the chat. So I will do 7 take profit trader accounts, 50K accounts. If you're interested in participating in this giveaway, fill the form. Yeah, on screen you can see empty model. We talk about empty model. It doesn't want to displace at all, doesn't want to offer any speed. Since this morning, it's already on. Speed was right before, right at the open, so where we got empty model for long. Right now, just struggling. I hate this kind of moment when it's struggling to displace. So, doesn't want to do anything. See how slow it is so far? So ideal 2R for the same 2 model where I highlighted potential target at, if not 938, but at least 940, which is mean threshold of 2-minute OB. Price waiting for giveaway. Oh, basically, a 62% will be nice. I'm just talking about 2R. Nothing is going on so far. We're just struggling. But we don't have shift in bullish shift. It still can drop. We don't have the closure for shift. It will go bearish. Ideally. Especially to not to R. I would like to see mean threshold of the 2-minute OB tested. So this can be support level right above 50% of this expansion up. I mean, of course, it can drop even like more to take not Wednesday AM session sell side over here. It's just Friday. The issue is don't want to anticipate a lot from Friday. Minor SMTs. Price action not worth it, so if you stopped out and break even, don't be upset with this. You did well. At least you tried. Yes, it's trying. Didn't offer any bullish shift yet. While gold is pumping, not like a lot, stuck at previous week high level, and CL took final level. Final target. Guys, if you would like to participate in giveaway, I pinned message in the chat. Participate. One more test of 2-minute fair value gap. It's slow, it's Friday, so maybe we're asking for too much. So I'm watching for the test of min threshold right now of order block on 2-minute chart. We got one more test of 2-minute fair value gap. High frame still remains kind of more bullish. Trying to respect 2-minute fair value gap again. So slow. This price action not worth it. Summer Friday. Yeah, first week. It's not first week of month, right? But still. Hit 50% of week. So basically I'm watching right now 50% of order block. It's min threshold. Or I'm watching how we can respect 2-minute fair value gap on ES. It's so slow, so guys, I don't know. Yeah, let's take it easy. So it's Friday, it's July, middle of summer. We're asking for too much. Maybe this consolidation can be explained by this. The task is to invert 2-minute fair value gap right now on ES. Doing the job right now. I like how we're trying to displace below 2-minute fair value gap. So giveaway is out. If you would like to participate in giveaway, you can fill a Google form. That's it. I wouldn't say gold is really pumping, honestly. It just slow move up. So we got basically this inversion fair value gap, this red box right now, inversion fair value gap on NQ. Inside OT, is it going to be huge, like heavy sell off right now to Monday low? Or reversal? It was 10, by the way, it was 1030 reversal. Because it's like quarterly shift. Yeah, exactly. Right now it hit 2R. Initially, when you said it hit someone said it hit 2R, it's actually didn't hit 2R. This means we got two M2 models today, right? 9 a.m. and 10 a.m. So once again, this hourly fair value gap became inversion. Oh yeah, it's 11:15, guys. Yes, let's announce winners. Sorry, guys, I didn't see this. It's time to announce winners. So 1 more minute to enter giveaway. I will do 7 winners. If you're interested in learn M2 model, I posted yesterday on Twitter picture. You just save this picture and backtest this. Okay. Seems like everyone put numbers. Okay, let's do numbers then. У нас, yeah. Okay, 1, 2. Okay, never mind. We'll do numbers, okay. Since everyone typed numbers, okay, I will do numbers. So 7 winners. First winner is going to be who picked number 67. Oh, you cannot see this. Give me 1 second. 67. Oh, lots of people, by the way. We got first winner, guys. Race chat. Let me move. Seems like everyone put numbers. I see only numbers. Actually, it says any number from 1 to... Okay, another winner who picked number 10. Do we have this guy? Yeah, we have it, we have it. Oh, actually lots of. Another one. Oh, 2. Trying to find someone who typed 2. Oh yeah, we have it. Another guy, like it's 4 more. 95. Oops. Huge name. I will not be able to even read this. Three more. I will tell you how to receive account in a moment. Give me 1 second. 78. Okay. Lots of 78s. Two more. 80. 80. 80. Okay, okay. Okay, I see. Only one person seems like type 80. Okay. And last one. Best one. 81. Okay. Give me 1 second. Unfortunately, I set all settings accidentally. And 81. That's it. No one. We don't have 81. Give me 1 second. 58. We don't have 81. Okay. Do we have 58? Yeah, we have it. Lots of people type 88, 58. That's it. Next week I will do a couple more giveaways. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's it. Congratulations, winners. Congratulations, winners. Next week we'll do more giveaways. Don't worry if you didn't win today. Next time. So guys, don't leave. In order to receive this account, you need to create account with Take Profit Trader using my link. Give me 1 second. I'm going to send the link right now in the chat. Your task is to create account using my link. Here's the link. If you want giveaway, your task is to create account using my link. If you already have account, okay, but if you don't have account, create your account with this link. Because if you want but you don't have account, you're not going to get an account. And don't send me email or message about when I receive. So it takes time to receive your account. So it will take, I don't know, like 2-3 days to receive account. So give me some time to send accounts. 1 second, 1 second. And guys, last announcement. At 11:30, I will post new video. So don't leave this channel. So I will switch to new stream, not stream, new live chat. So where you can ask questions, about video. So once again, if you want to watch the video and do homework right after this, don't leave right now. Wait for 11:30, and it's going to transfer you to new video. Okay, guys? So new video coming in 4 minutes. So it's going to transfer you to new video. So we hit OT on NQ so far. We got rejection, we got SMT, and that's it. So actually maybe drop more. Here's the link, by the way, guys. Read the chat. Here's the link for new video. So this video is going to be about sweep model, how to trade gold and CL. So if you, after watching this video, you will not be able to make any money, you're not going to be profitable. So block me everywhere. Unfollow, unsubscribe, ban me everywhere. this. So guys, you ask about this video many times. So you ask me how I trade gold, how I trade CL for pre-market or Asia, or how I trade CL. So I finally record the video for you guys. So at 11:30 it will be out. So don't leave. You need to go to that video and ask questions there. So in real time. So I will be in the chat for the next 20-30 minutes. So you can ask questions. You can ask for money back. Exactly. Yeah, extremely stupid model. So if you want to ask me if it's okay for beginners, I wouldn't say it's okay for beginners because you still need to understand context, high-frame context. I know people who execute simply like robot this model. I don't recommend to do this. So try to filter your entries. I explained this in my new video, how to trade this properly. When are you starting? I just finished this. So guys, after watching this video, you will be able to subscribe to my newsletter. Why? Because you will receive your new homework. You will receive your new homework based on this lesson. Your task to watch this lesson. I'm going to send you email, subscribe to newsletter once again, and this email you will watch the in read lesson again, and then you will do your assignment. So today, M2 model play out, and if you want to ask me where you can learn about M2 model, you can watch my YouTube or download this picture. See this picture, guys, on Twitter? Here's the link. So model shared there. Yeah, oil was amazing today. Kind of amazing. All the way up to TP. It wasn't my TP because I wasn't this long trade. So we're still sitting inside inversion for a value gap on hourly. So let's see how we can respect. But once again, we're not going to waste our time. New video will be out in 1 minute about gold and CL model. So watch this as many times as you want. So to understand this, I explain this like stupid simple language. So I know. I hope you're not going to have any questions. So 20 seconds left, guys. Let me send the link for the video again. And we are going to switch there. And look at my cute picture there. Spend 2 hours on this, so don't forget to like the video, guys. Okay, guys, let's switch to new video. Click this link. And let's learn something new, guys. Let's go. Here's the link. You can ask questions in real time. Okay, guys, see you there. That photo doesn't look like you? What do you mean? It's me without glasses. So, guys, see you there. Let's go. 30 seconds left. So, bye-bye and hello there.